Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel Fusion X. Please like, subscribe and share. You often need an artificial intelligence tool, but could not find one. Here's a quick solution to your problem. AI tools are very useful. Open a browser and search for AI Tool Hunt. Click on the link as shown in the video. This website provides access to thousands of AI tools across the globe. You will see an interface of this sort. Click on Top GPTs and scroll to access most popular artificial intelligence tools available online. You can also make custom searches as per your requirements. For example, I would search for video editing. You can see a lot of AI tools listed for video editing. On the left side, there are a number of categories for which AI tools are available. You can also check whether a tool is free, freemium or paid. Browse across categories of your choice. Make fun. Create content using artificial intelligence. Work smart. Have a good day. I hope you like my video, and if you do like, share and subscribe to my channel.